Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking. Today we're baking a Biscoff burnt Basque cheesecake, and I can't wait to show you how. Add the 680 green cream cheese to a stand mixer or any bowl you're using, then beat until smooth. Tip: room temperature ingredients. Make sure your cream cheese, eggs, and cream are at room temperature. This helps the batter mix smoothly and avoids lumps. Add 1 cup of sugar, then mix until well combined. Tip: use full-fat cream cheese. It gives the cheesecake its creamy, rich texture. Don't use low-fat cream cheese. Pause the mixer and scrape down the edges of the bowl. After that, continue mixing until well combined. Add the 3 eggs either together or one at a time while mixing. Continue mixing until everything is well combined. Add 1½ tablespoons of flour along with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. After mixing, add 205 grams of Biscoff spread and combine. Add 1 tablespoon vanilla. Mix everything thoroughly, then pour in 1½ cups of heavy cream. Mix well, scrape down the edges, then stop the mixer. Tip: pan size matters. Don't use a pan that's too small. A larger pan prevents the cheesecake from overflowing and ensures even baking. Line your baking pan with baking paper, then place the lotus biscuits in it. Tips: high heat for the burnt top. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees, 230 Ds. The high heat gives the cheesecake its signature dark, caramelized top while keeping the center creamy. Since the biscuits were unstable, I poured a bit of cake batter to support them. Finally, pour all the remaining batter into the pan. My pan was slightly small, so I recommend using a bigger one. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. Place in the oven and bake for roughly 30-35 minutes. Depending on your oven, you might need a little more or less time. I used convection bake. Once baked, the center should still jiggle a bit, and the top should be nicely browned. Cool the cake completely before putting it in the fridge overnight to set. The following day, top the cheesecake with more Biscoff spread and a sprinkle of crushed cookies. Tips: cool before refrigerating. Let it cool completely at room temperature before refrigerating overnight. This prevents cracks and helps the flavors develop. Tip: you can add extra Biscoff spread, crushed cookies, caramel, or chocolate drizzle the next day for decoration. Tips: you can mix in things like espresso, cocoa, or citrus zest for a unique twist, but keep the basic technique the same. Tips: line the pan with parchment paper, letting it hang over the edges. This makes it easy to lift the cheesecake out of the pan after baking. Serve yourself a slice and enjoy this delicious Biscoff Basque cheesecake. Bon appétit! I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe,